Hello, this is me, ALIRAZA. I'm a Google Ads, Facebook Ads, and Bing Ads certified advertising professional as well as an owner of a Google Partner company. Let's get started on the question I have today. And the question is, I don't know why with keyword through macbook or thu macbook co Google just show one ads. My ads and other ads don't show up. Please help me to explain this problem. Okay, if your ad is not showing up on Google, there are few reasons you need to understand. First of all, if you constantly try to search for your ad, let's say if you have this keyword swap macbook, and if you constantly keep on try to search on Google to see if your ad is coming up or not, but as an advertiser, and you know that you have to pay a certain amount of money for each click, you will never click on your ad. So Google will assume that the your audience or the visitor or you as a visitor do not like this ad, which is why Google will eventually stop showing this ad to you, because you as an advertiser will never click on your ad, because you have to pay money for the click on your ad, which is why your ad won't show up over here. Now there are certain other reasons how you are seeing that, you know why your ad is not showing up over here. If you have done right targeting, but in case because you see that you have said two queries, so through more macbook or through more macbook ceo, what kind of keyword match are you using? I assume that you are using phrase match like this, which is why your ad is not showing. But this can be a reason, or it could be like you can be using exact match. Most likely it's exact match like this, but you have to shift to phrase match in case if you want to show to this one. So my suggestion is to go with phrase match. I'm sorry before, but I thought that you were using exact match, which is why your ad is not showing to you. This is another reason as well. Now there are certain things as well which you may use, and I'm also going to show you another tool which can help you. There are certain things which you can use. For instance, optimizing your campaign structure and improving your quality score. Okay, that is a very important and essential part of your Google ads, and if your ads are not showing, you need to work on your campaign structure as well as improving your quality score, making and when you create small keyword set campaigns, it can be more customized campaigns, more with the using by using ad extensions such as phone number, side link. This will also help in grabbing users more attention to your ad. When your ad has a phone number, side link extension, address, location extension, other extensions, your ad will also be more catchy, attractive, and this will also improve your CTR, as well as this will also help you in reducing your cost. You can also increase your CPC to see. But there is another thing which I like to show to you. Let me open one of my Google ads account, so guys I have an ID now, because I'm Google we are Google partner company, and I'm going to open to my manager account to show you guys. And I have many manager accounts, so I hope you are okay with those. So let's say I'm going with in this one of the MCCs over here. And yeah, so let's say I open another account. For instance, just say I'm opening this account. Okay, this account is an example again. Okay, what you have to do is to simply go to the tools and add preview and diagnosis from over here. Once you go to the add preview and diagnosis, you can write your term over here plus your location. Let's say you can target and do the search, and this will tell you that if your ad is showing for a specific keyword or not. This is a very great tool through which you can find out. But you can see that currently it is showing an account that none of your ads are running, your campaigns and ad groups are paused, so the account has no active ads at the moment. But this tool can tell you easily if your ad is showing up on Google or not for a specific keyword. So just what you have to do is to simply search your keyword over here to see if your ad is searching not over here or not. and in case if it's collapsing, it will also tell you. So this, I hope this answers your question. This is a very easy tool to get it sorted. So I also gave you a few suggestions. So I hope you like this video. In case if you need Google ads, Facebook ads, Ping ads, or SEO services, all you have to do is to click on the link in the description and you can work with me and my team. And in case if you need if you want videos like these to be shown consistently, so I want you guys to subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so that whenever I create a new video, you guys get a notification regarding this. And in case if you have any questions regarding this video, you are more than welcome to write in the comments of this video. Once again, thank you for watching. Take care and bye bye.